Nol kesoka Megaya Democratic Alliance ke Khasi Student Union ru kala kendu yang menteri ketanat kampoyeng kari wa Amit Shah ha kejingwan jeng u Shah kejinglang jeng ke North Eastern Council hasilong mentak sengi kajing kendu jeng ke KSU kalong bandawa bagasoka India ke ban aino ya ke inalain palmit ni ILP bat kumju ya ke tin Khasi ha ke krenit baprak retis Shah kari Henry katkum kejing tu upsden ke KSU sama Raymond Kajana Nakaliang Amit Shah simlakren Shah halokai LP bat kejingkren kalong kebasa dong. Ya kini kejuk kemat keserkaro lembam tinang bak kejelap konat kisang ma lo IT biang ya kedor khas hawa Amit Shah. Nakaliang kesoka kal kelpar kesoka India bahkan priang ro ika an syong wa ke MRSSA nalor ka IRP. Yui pat kimat bak kesoka jela kelabu hakmat Amit Shah kelong kajing itu no iktin Khasi bat karu hak kenit bapra kariti sensia kari kajing pen ulang no ya kajing pen telan ya amendment ya ka six schedule kariti sensiar nangta kajing pen jensro ya jing temu ban perking ya ka an Foreign Contribution Regulation Act ne FCRA na kali yang Khasi Auto Society ru hapo kajing lam upsden Dr. Dia Nonglaj kalai kendu ya Amit Shah ban pensngeu ya jinon kampan itu no ya Ktien Khasi hak kanit bapra kariti sensiar kari
Kini kini si rin minglayo Kynthup ba kandon kajiwan jong Home Minister jong ka India siya ni kajela kajugi di layo man yang appointment man yang kendu jong ba ka state government bat kaji kendu ham ta sihi nanam la badong ba kadi ka pasiso ne bom siso ndai kesulong no hot ba snap ini ndai kimat ki bangi keren ta si kalong ka LP nang ta ka border issue harin kat ka krenit ka bapra bat kunju kiwi de ba so di habede ba LP pat yo kim layo ano ka official status ya ka jubab ka basai hadu utamane bat nak yang seng hi kumai laju gre julong hadu ni klimat yang persang ban tenru ban yo pentrekam ya ka LP hadi ka jela jungi di habede ba ka jumpendung Ktien Khasi ka krenit ka bapra ladan lang ki nong ikmat nak Khasi Auto Society ru bat ngatai ki maki kin kam batai company ya tu pentah di baide bat baka border issue na kaliang jong Home Minister lakan Shah ba kani ka pentah jong akli state ne lali don kam bangun bonro preng ban midiet ya ne kam di ka por ke sepatai anu no issue ba simseng kam don ka jingepen kamut ba pin ai gawe sim nak ada ketiaman sim nak ketiga dia ni ngai scam hinong rem gi bangi yang nadu sek nadu ni pala seng ni hoi kinong lam ki barem ru kelakan keju kinong rem bangi bandar ngi keju hinong rem kamdan kejing pen habe le bano no kamat bano no issue jong ka jo seng ba kajet meri berboy tilak lada ka sarkar kali kita ka bor namar ba kumang lakan bangi nyepen ya ka kamat issue inomla balada ngi dim tengku da ka bor met su her su ya kan ka
lengkap semdan kando ka jingkular na Home Minister habdai batkini kimat
bepida kan himane ba ngamla padong ba kade kan jingalang ka basaiso ade bang saiso hendai ngasuka kai bangala padong ni ba hot la shong la snap ya kai bagi pensko.
During the visit of the Honourable Home Minister to Shillong for the 73rd preliminary session of the North East Council, on behalf of the Government of Meghalaya, I have submitted a memorandum to the Honourable Home Minister. In the memorandum, there were 4 important points that I had mentioned. First was regarding the setting up of a proper mechanism to check illegal immigration into the state. And we have expressed our concerns on this issue and suggested to government that mechanisms like the ILP, for which we have passed a resolution, and mechanisms like the MRSSA could be mechanisms and ways and means in which we would be able to check the illegal immigration. And we have urged the Government of India to look into both these demands that we have made and create a mechanism so that we are able to check the illegal immigration in the state. Number two, we had urged the government of India to consider inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8th schedule of the Constitution. This again is a very important demand which we have made for a very long time, and we have passed a resolution in the Assembly. And once again today, we urge the government of India to include both Khasi and Garo in the 8th schedule of the Constitution of India. The fourth issue we had raised was regarding the amendment to the 6th schedule. We are aware that there is a bill that is pending, and Government of India has been consulting different state governments and different district councils. So we have urged that that amendment should be in consultation with the states, and taking the views of all the states should be pushed through, so that necessary amendments can be made to the 6th schedule, which would ultimately benefit the different tribal societies in different parts of the Northeast. And the fourth issue that we had raised in our memorandum that we submitted as a government was regarding the amendments to the FCRA, where you're aware that Government of India is planning to amend the FCRA, and different organizations have raised concerns about those amendments and how it could impact the work that they're doing, including the assets that are there that these different associations and organizations they have. And hence, this was again reiterated in the memorandum that we submitted, and we have received a very positive response from the government, from the Honorable Home Minister, and he has asked us to come to Delhi with a delegation and detailed of all the aspects of what amendments we would like to see or change in the FCRA Amendment Act bill. He has asked us to give it in writing. So these were the 4 points that we have submitted, and as you're aware that the government is continuously following up on all these 4 aspects, and that we are sincerely working towards ensuring that we're able to achieve our goal in being able to resolve all these 4 issues that I have mentioned in the memorandum to the Honorable Home Minister. Thank you.
Chief Minister, bau Union Home Minister, Sri Amit Shah ji, wan menteri kesengi Shillong, di kumta nak kelim yo Khasi Auto Society ni lapan ni ke appointment menekan doyo, but ke office yang Chief Minister kelai Arab ban penyo ye ke por menekan doyo, but ngelayo ye ke ban submit ye ki kot kisla ki jongi, kum ke reminder dan ni ke jimpatkan mau. Yaki ay gibangila dep submit na do kasnem arhaja arpoi obnai January, but ngila penkan mau ru yago bangila yakendu ro yago ho July jo kasnem arhaja arpoi, but adin kata ngila pelong ye ka national seminar ha Delhi au September arhaja arpoi, but ngila submit biang ye ka jipatkan mau reminder ke to ko, but menta kedai kawai pat ka jia kendo. Pada hari ini gaji kendor pemerintah ni la pentepro ba kasurkan megalia lengba ga megalia languages ordinance arajar arpundre kalau penong ya ke Ktien Khasi kum kawai neki official languages jangka state pemerintah kadai ga high time ba government of India kan simigi sinjam kibati kena ban rung no Ktien Khasi apa ke khnit ke bakra ti nagaliam jong loong bakidan bon teliki jajtin batmai ki Dawa ye kenika ti pendrung apa ke khnit ke bakra bat loong baga ministry kan sampai benia ya kenika kam bat ula kedau tikenaro baga Ktien Khasi gadai ka wei ni kita ki jajtin ki ba ke ministry kan sampai benia kata gadai jikran simkran bun Ktien tambah ula jubak ye ki jingkat ki jami aga tawarkam baga ministry kan sampai benia bat ula ong baga Ktien Khasi kadan hagalis jong kita ki jajtin ba ministry kan sampai benia
kan don yang komiti bahkan jit kita ki kentin berperlu untuk klinik apa
ka ladai bet kam jaga ministry ti sim dan dia tu yang ni sebenarnya dan rei ngisutu ba ke ministry kadan hi ki officers lane ki revision plan ki ba apan pejnia ya kijak tin makan Yang mentang ngimla banong ngirang dan kamar budin sim ai ya ka jingkula dan ka jing pentingna assurance Andre ulang ba kamilsi kalau sim kia gini but kan sampai benia but Ktien Khasi kedai kawai ni kita Ktien kiba kamilsi kan sampai benia